Hi guys, today we're going to be making this delicious quinoa risotto with pumpkin, spinach, creamy feta and toasted pumpkin seeds. So let's start by finely dicing 2 small onions. Then we're going to finely chop 3 large cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to rinse our quinoa. Now, over a medium flame, add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan, then add your onions and fry them until they're golden brown. Now add your garlic and your quinoa. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of tomato puree and fry it all together for about a minute or so. This is just to remove the acidity from the tomatoes and add a little bit of sweetness. Now add in your vegetable stock and some dried thyme. Give it all a good mix and cover it with a lid. Leave this to simmer for about 25 minutes, checking regularly to see if you need to stir or add any more water. Okay, whilst that's cooking, let's roast our pumpkin. So first drizzle your diced pumpkin with olive oil and coat well. I'm using a variety with edible skin, but if you're using a different variety like butternut squash, make sure that you remove the skin first. Pop that in the oven, roast it at 190 degrees centigrade, fan assisted, for 20 minutes, making sure to turn halfway so it roasts evenly. Then toast your pumpkin seeds over a medium flame for a couple of minutes until they start to go brown. Make sure to keep moving them so they don't burn. After 25 minutes, your quinoa should be almost ready. So add a large handful of spinach and let that wilt under the lid for about a minute or so. Then stir in some butter. Then add your roasted pumpkin and give it all a good mix. Let it sit together over a low heat just for a final 2 minutes. Lastly, check the seasoning and add salt and pepper as you desire. And we are done. Just serve it with some crumbled feta and your toasted pumpkin seeds. This recipe works really well with any changes. Like for instance, add some roasted red peppers and goat's cheese. What would you change? If you did enjoy today's recipe, please like and subscribe for more tasty treats. Thanks, hope you have a great morning, afternoon or evening. Bye!